supermarket. I had to just run in here. Need a bottle of honey. Just running in to get some because I want to make turkey bacon and eggs this morning for breakfast. I'm craving it, and I want to drizzle some honey. So I don't want maple syrup, I want honey. So I'm gonna get some. Hey guys, if you're just starting the vlog, hi, follow me this Saturday. It's a Saturday. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on my Saturday. We have a few things to get up to, so come along. To my channel. So for today's vlog, I do have a little come along with me running errands today type of vlog. You'd have seen some clips before with me at the gym. We decided to start off this morning at the gym. It's my first time going to the gym in a long time, I'm not gonna lie, but for 2026 I'm trying to be a lot healthier and be more intentional about myself, taking me a lot more seriously. So that was me just starting off my day there. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Kimberly and this is Kimberly Vlogs XO. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. For today's vlog, just come along with me. We have a few errands to run. We're currently on our way out to go to an open house because we saw this advertisement for a tiny home and we're just trying to get our feet wet in just different options available in Jamaica and what we want to do going forward for our forever home. So this is just us taking a look at what is possible. It's not a full home, it's a tiny home, which realistically is not our ideal situation because we'd want to get more space, but we just want to see what it looks like and just keep our options open. Maybe it's something we can build on, maybe it's something we can get for now, we don't know, but we want to go and look at it. And we've never seen a tiny home being sold in this way in Jamaica, so we just wanted to check it out. Along with that, we also have a couple errands to run, so we're gonna head to PriceSmart because Hakeem needs to pick up a cake for a team event that he's doing tomorrow actually, and then we're gonna come back and get ready to go to an influencer mingle. So it's an influencer mingle that's going to be filled with different creators from Jamaica, so we're just gonna head to that. It's a good opportunity for us to really showcase the Country Edit XO, which is our travel page, and then also just see different persons and meet persons and network. Also just recreated our Country Edit XO website. You'll see that in the description box below for Hakeem's photography business. If you're looking to get some photos taken for wedding, engagement, different events, things like that, the link will be in the description below where you can check out his website. So with all that being said, Hakeem's downstairs waiting for me because we are running a little bit behind schedule from our morning, but we're just gonna get going, right? As I said, like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let's just go on with the rest of the day. To buy a home. As we're here at the open house now, as I said, we're just looking. We wanted to see what it's all about. It's a tiny home. I'm really excited. We're so tiny home coded though, don't you think? Like, I think like if we were to tell person that we're buying a tiny home, people would be like, yeah, all right, sure, because they would expect us to have like a huge expanse of land somewhere. Is it real? Fake grass? So these are the pavers, and that's the first one we're going to take a look at. One right there. So they have multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm excited to look inside. So cool. So this is the first one, guys. This is nice. S5 D8 05 series. Oh, see? Oh, fancy. Yeah. Even though the space is small, it looks big. Oops, really nice. Yeah, it's not. And then the toilet here. Not bad at all. I feel like you have a roll with me. This is our roll away vibes. This is pretty good. Because I mean, you know? Yeah, this is the hall.
天，这骨头也没有问题。我这边赶紧站这个里面，我这刚才都跑了，坐这个。
This one has a pool, like a full-on deck. So this is another. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I like the design. Not bad at all. Space. Oh, then you said this is a 2-bedroom. So is it that it comes together like this? Because they have the deck vibes.
Oh, I don't think the deck appears to come with it.
Yeah.
I'm just show you what it would be if, like, if
You prefer? You let me know so that when I'm
I guess this would be like the master area, the second master.
you can design. They're not as secure, but I think you can probably put in where you want. Kind of noise cancelling-ish. Not super though. I mean, still hear stuff. Based on how you're gonna put it, it will do a job.
Yeah. So just looking through, we're in the 2-bedroom right now. It's not bad at all. These are completely Airbnb-able. I think that's what the vibe would be for these. Or I think they're saying you can probably talk to the person that's there. They're saying that you can customize it how you want.
Yes, it is.
And I see that the developers are here as well. So we'll just check a little more and see what they're asking about, what they're talking about, or what the options are for this place. But it's just very Airbnb-able, as you can see. You know, but obviously we're not in the market for Airbnb. we're just looking around to see what the options are. I love that light comes in from every angle. Imagine this submerged in a forest area, or like some sort of, you know, woody vibe with the trees around. That would be so nice. And that's totally our vibe, completely our vibe. So yeah, very cute. Like the layout. Would have to retrofit it and make it a little bit more customized, but because there's no kitchen, things like that. Yeah, I think they can probably build it out a little more, add the stuff that you need. But yeah, very cute. What's this door? Is it open? Oh, I was about to step up. I would have broke my butt. You see inside of this? They're so cute. So, finishing that up now, I think the concept of the homes are really nice. What do you think of them, Bim?
As ready-made things are assembled
Ready-made
homes,
and the
they're nice.
Yeah.
For somebody who would probably be lazy or don't want to go and source or work with no workman.
Yeah.
The integrity of the foundation and all those things.
That's up to the person who buys them.
No man, I talk about the building itself.
Oh, the material they use for the actual.
I've not really
structures.
looked as much at it. You know what I mean? I never shake it good.
She didn't shake them. We didn't shake them.
I never shake it too. if you know.
Yeah.
It's quality or not. I think the cost-effective thing is it would be to get somebody to build it, especially if you can get a nice work plan done.
Yeah.
The cheapest being 7.8. I think you can build a lot for 7.8.
Yeah, I agree.
With a concrete structure, even wood, if you choose to, depending on what you want to do.
Yeah.
But it's just the look of it. Some people like glass. It's a lot of glass. A whole lot of glass. So,
Yeah.
And I say, quite frankly, it's just based on your appetite for construction. If you want something that is just ready-made done, you can do that. I've never looked at one of the container homes that.
I think that's our next step, because ideally
I'm talking
that.
about the pre-done ones.
Pre-done one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would want to see that. That shape is a unique one that I've seen before with our travels, but I've never seen it here. And what I had already envisioned, or always envisioned, if I was going to go with a pre-made home, I'd go like a 40-foot structure container that is pre-made and shipped. That is a little
a 40-foot
modern.
A 40-foot structure, a 40-foot container literally could cost
like $800,000.
$800 or $1 million.
Yeah.
Compared to a $7.8 million thing. That yes, it has everything in there at the moment.
But we still have so much work to do.
Yeah.
We could have do everything we want for like $3 million.
Exactly, because with a 40-foot container, you can cut out panels if you need to.
Exactly.
You can put in
installation and everything.
You know, the only thing you probably have to buy glass to put in and everything there. But you could build it, because none of those are 40-foot.
No, they're all pretty contained.
Yeah. So if I were to buy, and plus it doesn't include, that is just for the cost of the building or the structure. It doesn't include the foundation. The cost doesn't include the foundation.
It doesn't include the plans that you have to. I don't see anybody going into that ready-made. That only works if you have it like set up. It's just a bedroom and a bathroom. There's a vlog that we have on our channel from when we went to Bogota. We stayed at Nakuma. Nakuma had it set up where it had the bedroom and bathroom, and it had an outdoor kitchen. And I think that is something that could be easily done with that. That's the only thing that could be done with that if you want it as it is. But it would need some work to make it what you really want, because reasonably to live in a place you need a kitchen or some sort of kitchen option. And if they're only giving you the structure for $7.8 million to start, then you're gonna have to do some work. So
my thought about even going, I wasn't even going with the sense that I was planning
this was gonna be it.
No.
Yeah, we just wanted to
it's
see.
It's just the idea. One thing with going to open houses, even if you don't plan to buy, you're inspired by certain things.
Yeah.
So there are certain things that you'd see there that you say, oh.
And I think we're decisive about what we want, the look of it, and what, because Hakeem and I have similar design principles, and aesthetics. I think so. That's one thing that saves us a lot. But when it comes to just looking, so we're just looking and seeing what the options are to kind of color. But in my mind, I think both Hakeem and I, in our minds, we know what we want.
I think
we have a vision.
Yeah, we've been saying, because our next purchase is not a new structure again.
Oh God!
Yeah, it's not a new.
Listen,
it's not a new.
That's a video in and of itself. Yeah. Because when it comes, I would
we have to sit down and do once the time is right. We do a full video on
home
purchasing new versus renovation versus lightly used, etc. Because for this next purchase that we do, I guarantee you we would do the construction myself, if anything, because I rather go through it myself than another person.
Yeah, better if you just make somebody come fix it up from scratch, because when you buy it new, everything that can go wrong goes wrong because you're not aware. So you guys, so with that being said, it's nice to look, and we suggest that you look around when you're thinking about like home ownership or like next steps. If you already own your home, just get your feet wet, because we've been out of the market for a couple of years now. So we're just dipping our feet back in, and we just really wanted to see what a tiny home option would be like in Jamaica, what the options are. But so this was a productive afternoon. We didn't waste our time, and we left our information so they can give us more information if anything, so we can kind of color our expectations a little more. So now we are going to PriceSmart because we have to do a pickup. Well, we need to order cake, because I told you guys before that we need to get a cake for Hakeem needs to get a cake for something tomorrow, and then we're gonna head to the influencer mingle and see what that's all about. If you watch this far, you haven't already, remember to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when I upload, guys. And don't forget to share the channel as well. I really appreciate your support.
Yeah man, like the video man.
Like the video man.
liking the video really pushes the content to other persons.
Yeah.
See it. So if not watch it, be sure no like what I see now. We know so not like it.
Oh.
We know so not like it. Kim work very hard at it.
Thank you, gracias para tu support or support. Oh, by the way, we're currently learning Spanish, guys.
Hard.
It's hard. It's because
Come on,
we're older.
We're learning very
We are
we're
gung
going hard at
ho
it.
like every day. I think Hakeem has been going a little bit harder than me.
Yeah, I have to catch up.
It's hopefully we really need to learn Spanish because we've been traveling to Latin America so much and we feel very cute always going and hemming and hawing. So just stay tuned, guys. I think by this time next year we'll be a lot better. I don't want to bust any Spanish right now because I'm not set myself up, but we are
B1?
B. Yeah, I think we're almost B. We're pretty much B1 at this point. Yeah. So estamos aprendiendo español ahora. Just a little Spanish. Okay, guys. Right, Hakeem has gone to look for the cakes. I am looking for like a water dispenser. I'm also looking at some towels because we need to change our towels, guys. So yeah, I'm seeing this karaoke machine. He loves karaoke. It's not bad. But our neighbors would kill us. But we need a plate. We could have probably go. That's a cute idea. I'll think about it. A karaoke machine, guys. They're so stretchy. They're so stretchy and nice. No, the fact that they're like 3,000 something. Oh no, I don't want the acid wash. I don't want it with the acid wash. They're all acid wash? Yeah, I don't like that. I have one like that and I never wear it. Or when I do wear it, I'm not happy. You like these? I don't know if I love the pink. Do you like the pink? Or you like the... Ooh! Excuse me?
The jeans?
Yeah.
You don't have that color jeans. It's stretchy.
Yeah. And it's boot cut.
Yes.
Stop. Stop it. They have this one.
Alto.
It's a nice color.
Yeah, that's a nice color.
I would want like... Because I don't want it to be tight on me. And this is not jeans though. This is
With a few little shorts. PriceSmart have some nice little things in one place, you know?
What I want to get though are blazers. Like I want to buy some blazers.
Blazers.
Yeah, and I already have my favorite blazers. So I just need to buy those. I'm trying to not buy too much clothes because sometimes I end up not having I only have pieces and not things I want to put into outfits, so that's my problem. But yeah, you want to go look into the price of the water cooler if they have one here, just so we can know what we're doing. Comfortable?
That comfortable, but we get cushions.
You know, I'd get cushions made.
I want
like
something
this.
more lounge. Could they go there? Yeah.
There's no space for long on
As in,
the balcony.
you know what I mean? Like you sit down and you just in there. Something like even that.
Oh, well, I guess we'd have to make that then. Look a little bit too broad, yeah. I mean, I could lounge in this now. Once me pad up and everything. Another option that Hakeem is liking. But I don't think this is going to fit. This is not going to fit on the balcony.
Oh, yes. This is it.
You see your face?
This is Kim. I think sit down for now. Sit down for now. and just prepare yourself.
Ooh, oh my god, yes.
Come on.
I like, no, it's nice now. I wouldn't be opposed to this, but where do we put it? And it comes as a set of 3.
But this is what I'm thinking. This is comfortable.
But my thing with this is like the durability of this type of stuff.
It's made for outside. Something like
Yeah.
Steel woven.
Okay. Could have Barry like make it, like make a big bench.
In there, dear.
But I don't know, guys. I'm just looking at space, but we need to measure it. 'Cause I don't think we've done a proper measurement of the balcony and what we need. Yeah. You need a rocking chair.
This is
You need a rocking chair.
I tell me I put this for my credit card.
No, we don't do that anymore.
This is it, what it comes with.
Oh, it's a 3-piece.
Yeah, this and this. And it's swivel.
There's no swiveling poles on that balcony.
There is. You can.
On the balcony?
Yeah, man. We'll get rid of things if it is funny.
You're a rocking chair guy.
I will be working on the balcony more often.
Until summertime. Until summertime.
Yeah?
Until summertime. Hi.
Boy, may they try to this is
Boy, marriage life.
it's
Somebody stole or moved our trolley. So Hakeem is going to get another one. I don't know who hung out with it so far. So we literally just catch it somewhere and then we went back for it and somebody had it. So he's gonna go and get another trolley for us. But yeah, I'm just sitting here trying to get acclimatized to the coach, to the chair that Hakeem loves. This is the rocking one. It's nice, but I'm just not sold on the space, the sizing. It's too big. But we shall see. Here he is coming back. This is so cute. That is really cute.
put this now apart one apartment.
Yeah, or like an Airbnb. This would be like really cute in there. If I walked in an Airbnb, I saw this, I'd be like, oh, that's cute. Very red though, but it's Coca-Cola, so what do you expect? And can I tell you, one of my dreams is a wine fridge, but I just put non-alcoholic wine in there.
Not wine. Yeah, beverage.
Oh, well, I'd want a wine fridge. Or a wine library.
You don't even drink up.
Exactly, but I like the idea of having a wine library. Right, so we ended up getting this water cooler system because the one we have at home is currently leaking. So we ended up getting, and I also got some milk, some almond milk, because I'm trying to switch over from oat milk to almond milk. So just got some milk from here, and then Hakeem is looking to see if there are any pears, as in like the fruit pears. You got that? Wow!